Action SA is committed to expansive reform of the legal system and to appropriately capacitate the prosecutors and courts by significantly increasing the NPA's budget and expanding court capacity. A central tenet of our approach is that we will allocate a fixed percentage of South Africa's annual budget to the prosecution of crime and corruption, rather than allowing our prosecution authorities to continue to be under-resourced through politically motivated budgets. We will spread the load currently being serviced by either magistrates or high courts by establishing specialized courts to deal with certain crimes, removing them from the overstrained systems.